Welcome back to Dipansh video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to generate a QR code using Python. So we'll be at the end of this video, we will be able to generate a QR code like this. Tananda. Okay, I don't care. So let's get into the video. So I'm just going to delete this QR code, move to recycling bin, go to this QR code. Okay, I'm just going to delete everything, and so this is left. Okay, so now let's start. First thing we can type right over here is pip install QR code in our terminal, and then if we press enter, it will run and straightly download what we want. Then we can close the terminal and focus on our coding. So first thing I'm going to do is import our module QR code. Then after it is done downloading for you, you can type the same thing, or if you feel free, you can pause the video, or you can write the whole code, and then when you run it, it will still work because by then it must be already downloaded. So then so now let's get back to the code. So after we are done importing QR code, then we can put define generate QR code. So I can put def generate QR code. Inside it I can put text, boom, boom. And then I can put QR is equal to QR code dot QR code. Look at the uppercase and lowercase I'm doing. It's very important. And then so QR is equal to QR code dot capital QRC code, and then I can put parentheses, and inside the parentheses I can put version number. I'll put the version number to 1. Error correction, you can put it to any version number you want, like 2 will work, 3 will work, 4 will work, but for now I just put it to 1. Then I can put QR code dot constants dot error underscore correct underscore L. Underscore L, comma. Actually, I'll put a comma after a gap. Then I can put the box size to be 10. Now you can't change this because if you change it, the whole QR code will change. So 10, and the border you put will be equal to 4. Then after we're done with that, we can go out of the parentheses and then type QR dot add data. Sorry, we can add the data, and the data will be our text. Then QR dot make, I can put it fit equal to true. And then I can put image to be equal to QR dot make image. I can put fill underscore color to be equal to black. And then I can put back color to be equal to white. Like that, white. And then we have our main QR code generated. Then after that you're done with this, you can just put image dot save. We have to save the image. You can put any name you want, but I'm going to put dvt underscore QR code dot png. And then all the way at the end, you have to put generate QR code you can put anything you want to put over here. Like anything you want to put. There's no restriction. You can put it to camera.py like I have over here. You can put it to any channel. But for now, I'm going to put it to my channel link. Well, that reminds me, like and subscribe to Dipansh Video Time right now. So, let's go back and copy paste this right away. If I control click, and yeah, it'll open. So now, are you excited to see our QR code generate? Let's see. Wow. So you might see nothing over here, but we can see something right over here. So let's open folders, go into YouTube video, DVC QR code, and woohoo! We have our QR code. So, I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, the Dipansh Video Time is out.